Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You cannot natively install the Google Play Store on iPhone because iOS does not support Android app stores. Instead, start by making sure your iPhone is updated and signed into your Apple ID and that you have a Google account. Once done, decide which workaround you will use: Google Web Apps, a cloud Android instance, or remote access to an Android device. Make sure you have a second device or computer ready for the remote or browser-based Android session, and keep Wi-Fi enabled for stability. Next, set up remote Android access so you can use Google Play through a virtual Android device. On your PC or remote service, sign into the Android session with your Google account and open the Play Store there. Once that environment is ready, connect from your iPhone using Safari or a remote desktop app. Follow prompts to grant screen and input permissions. Make sure touch and keyboard controls map well. Then search for the app you want and initiate installation inside the remote Android session. Finally, complete app installs inside the remote Android environment and use them from your iPhone via the remote session. If an app needs Google Play services, ensure the remote image includes it. Otherwise, choose alternatives or web versions. If you encounter authentication issues, check two-step verification and reauthorize the remote session. If performance is poor, switch to a faster network and restart both devices. Remember, you are streaming Android, not adding Play Store to iOS, so expect occasional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.